Do you want to make $60 a month in pure passive income? I'm sure you do. Keep in mind that this is a passive income, so you can sit back, relax, and enjoy the money streaming into your PayPal accounts. This is completely free and works all over the world. Now, if you approach this process correctly, you'll be able to create income automatically and earn 10 times as much. So stay tuned until the end to learn how to make about $1,000 each year in a completely passive manner. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Plug, where we connect you to anything that will help you earn quick money online. On this channel, we love to give away free money, and we're giving away $50 worth of gift cards in Walmart, Target, and Amazon to 10 lucky people once our channel hits 5,000 subscribers. To find out how to enter, stick around until the end of the video. Now, just before we dive into the tutorial, smash that thumbs up button if you like this kind of content. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. With everything out of the way, let's go right into the video so I can show you everything. You must create and have your own PayPal account before proceeding to our website where we will make money today. So go to paypal.com and sign up for a completely free account by clicking this blue sign up button. Simply enter your personal information and log in to your PayPal account. Now that you know where you'll get paid, let's get started. I'll show you everything step by step in this video, so please pay attention to what I'm about to say. First and foremost, I want you to visit unbounce.com, and this is how it should appear. This will be the website where we will be making money online. As you can see, it suggests you might make $320, $800, or even $1,600 per month right now. And this is just a ballpark figure for how much money you'll make if you follow this lesson. If you stick with me, I'll show you how to tenfold your earnings. This will be really simple and quick, and I'll show you how to do it in an automated manner, which means you won't have to do anything else once you've started it. To review, Unbounce.com is a piece of software that allows users to construct various landing pages and websites. Now, by clicking on Products and then Templates from the drop-down menu of the category, it'll show you some samples of the websites that this platform can produce. Different categories of websites can be found here, and they'll show you a variety of various examples right here. To demonstrate, here's an example of a landing page you can make with Unbounce.com. But keep in mind that we will not be producing any websites or videos today, and this will not require any technical abilities, so don't be worried. I'm merely giving you this information to illustrate how effective Unbounce.com is in terms of allowing others to produce awesome websites, as is the case with this one. Now that I've given you the basic about this website, I'd want you to show how we can make a lot of money with this program, and it's quite simple. When you visit Unbounce.com, the first thing you should do is scroll all the way down to the bottom. After you've reached the bottom, look under the Company section for Partner Program. After you've clicked on that, you'll be taken to this page. You'll notice that every recommendation you make has the potential to earn you 20% recurring revenue. One of the reasons I like Unbounce.com is that it constantly sends you recurring commissions every month. This means that after you've set up the system, you can continue to earn recurring income month after month. Isn't that crazy? Now, just before we go any further, if you enjoyed the video so far, I'll give you time to go on and subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. And if you found this tutorial interesting and useful, leave a comment down below because we'd love to know your thoughts. Now, to remind you, just stay tuned until the end of the video in order to know the exact steps to winning that $50 gift card giveaway. But for now, it's time to get back into this tutorial and continue making money. So right now, let me show you Unbounce.com's 4 distinct pricing options. However, keep in mind that this process is completely free and you will not require to purchase anything. In fact, the technique we'll talk about in today's video is referring others and promoting Unbounce.com to traffic, which will earn us 20% recurring commissions. I'll demonstrate how to do this in an automatic manner once more. So make sure you stick around until the end for a secret bonus that will allow you to make 5 to 10 times more money. To continue what I was saying, you will see your $80 per month, $120 per month, and $200 per month, and up to $300 per month pricing packages. When you promote these bundles, some individuals will opt for the yearly plan, which means they will pay for the package for a whole year. Every month, the highest earning package costs $300, as can be seen below. When you multiply that sum by 12 months, you'll realize that the clients pay $3,600 every year. We now know that you will receive 20% of the commission, which implies that you might earn $720 from a single consumer. All you have to do is advertise and recommend other people using a very simple, free, and automatic approach, and you can make a lot of money. Now, I'll show you how to register for a free account. Simply click the blue Sign Up button to get started. After clicking on that, you'll be directed to this page. You must give the necessary information and input into these areas. You'll receive your unique referral link when you join up for a free account on Unbounce.com, which must advertise in order to earn commission. After that, you must respond to these simple questions. Afterwards, just click I agree here and you'll be ready to sign in. It will lead you to your fresh new accounts dashboard once you've successfully created your account. By clicking this button, you will be able to agree to the terms of service in order to receive your unique referral link. After that, you'll have access to your Unbounce partner account. Now, basically, on the summary page, you'll see how many clicks and referrals you've received, as well as how much money you've earned. On the other hand, your unique referral link can now be found under the link category. All you have to do now is click the copy button to get your referral link copied. So for the following phase, I'd like you to visit Quora.com. You can then create a free account using either Google or Facebook. So after you've successfully registered an account on this website, you can start posting or answering questions on Quora right now. This website functions similarly to a forum, with a large number of visitors posting various images and videos. People can also ask and answer questions on this site. Now, you may obtain a lot of free, highly focused traffic from this platform. Right now, I'd like you to concentrate on the search bar, which you'll see right here at the top. Now, type in the terms like how to make a landing page into the search box. After done that, you'll notice that there are quite a few results. I'm going to click on this one, and it'll take you to this page where you can find various queries that people have regarding how to make a landing page. As you can see, many individuals are asking this question and some are responding. As a result, this will be your best opportunity to recommend targeted people to Unbounce.com for free traffic utilizing your referral link. You will be able to earn 20% of the recurring revenue and commission if these visitors decide to purchase a pricing plan using your referral link. However, it is also dependent on the bundles they purchase. You will make more money if customers purchase more expensive packages. Again, the maximum commissions earned for a single purchase is $720. This is a really effective method for getting started as a total beginner. For the time being, all you have to do in Quora.com is click on the answer button right here, which will open up this box where you can simply fill in your answer as well as where you can give your unique referral link. After that, simply click the submit button and you're done with this strategy. Now, if you want to make even more money, simply search for various phrases. You can even look up how to develop a website, because Unbounce.com allows users to create websites in addition to landing pages. Begin right now to make that large chunk of money. To generate that passive income in your PayPal accounts, do this with patience and determination. And that sums up today's tutorial. Now let's proceed with instructions on how to be lucky and win the 10 free $50 gift cards giveaways. You just need to make sure you've subscribed and are actively leaving a like and a comment on every video so that I can give rewards to those who I monitor that are always active in each tutorial. The more videos you comment on, the better chance you have at winning as we reach the 5,000 subs celebration. And that's it. Once again, this is Online Money Blog, teaching you the best and easiest methods in making money online. For more content like this, go on and check out my other videos too, so you'll maximize your results in making that big pile of cash straight into your accounts.